Hey guys, welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp. And today we are at Dollar Tree because it is Wednesday. And we want to go see if we could use some coupons and what new Dollar Tree has in store. So let's go in here and see what we could do. Come on, shop with me. This right here is a new Dollar Tree right here, guys. So that's why I'm going in, and I saw it the other day. I'm like, let me go and check this new one out. It's new. I believe it used to be a Walgreens. I think it did. Okay, and we will not be going to that one because it is not open to July 16th. So that's why people was turning around. It is another Dollar Tree in this area. This is my old area I used to live in when I was a kid or a teenager. So they just put this here. But let's go try another one. I got one we can try, and that's in my old neighborhood, period. Okay, guys, this is not my town, but a neighboring Dollar Tree. I haven't been in here, so we'll go in here and check and see how it is. If I don't get to use my coupons, it's because this might not be the place. It's kind of dirty out here. I don't know. This don't look good to me, but we'll see. Okay, this was real little up in here. Okay, they got their back to school stuff. They got the scotch tape. I need the scotch tape. I wonder if it's double-sided. No. I was trying to see was it double-sided. Okay. Do not buy your kids these. They don't work. They wax. Okay. I thought they had that in it. They didn't have it. Okay. All type of storages. It is time, and I need a basket for my car to put stuff in. I need a basket. Okay. So let me see. Okay. So these I know. I didn't see the baskets the last time I was at any Dollar General. What's this? And these is all of their folders, all of their books, everything they need. So what y'all think? Do y'all think the kids going back to school? Look at that tote bag. Enjoy every moment. That's nice. Good things are coming. It's the little things in life. Oh, wow. Sketch paper, construction paper. Oh, they getting ready. So do you guys think that the kids are going back to school? That's one of my main things. I hope they do, but it ain't looking good. Oh, look at this. Open this right meow. That's pretty. Okay. So let's go. So they have a finished tablet. The works line, pardon me. Cleaning, Ajax. Well, y'all know our coupon will be out for these soon. Then we can start back getting those. And then the next time your spick and span come out, get this. Antibacterial. That's what I always tell people. Look for the antibacterial. Okay. So, and here is all of their Palmolive, Dawn, but we getting a Dawn at Dollar General. Go look at my video, you'll see how you getting a Dawn. Let's see. Well, they got Fabulous on here. Regular little bitty ones. So they really didn't have nothing big. I was looking. Oh, look. Well, they do. They got the unstoppables too. The crystals. Okay. That's that. Oh, we want to do this one. Of course, they got Cool Whip, ice cream. Got all kind of ice cream. Michelin's in here. Banquets. Celeste Pizza. The toast. Cod. Look at that. They got fish in here. Now this is the first place I saw that. And then they got wild salmon and cooked shrimp. So you could definitely eat a whole dinner out of here. You got broccoli, fries, steak. Okay. So yeah, they do. Watch that. Okay, watch the price of these guys because remember I got those for a penny at Dollar General. So watch the price of those. See, and that's Turkey Hill, but now they quit giving the coupon out and start giving us the one for the ice cream. Oh, and I need one of these carpet ugly on there. Stupid cats. Okay. Okay. So they have the gift to go to chocolate one. Peanut butter. They got these. I got those already. I'm not buying any more of them. I felt like my kids didn't really like them a lot. So we might be couponing for a bus. We do got some Pillsbury, but it's two things. Let me see what. So guys, I'm gonna get 2 Nature Valleys, and I forgot I had this internet printable 50 cents off too. So they 75 cents a box. Also, I want to just show you all something because I don't think I have a Pillsbury coupon. I saw them, but I don't have them with me. What is this? Funnel cake mix. Oh, that's a good one for the kids for Halloween. Funnel cake mix. Now you know Goya. Y'all heard about all that stuff with Goya? They got it in for them. And then that's Hunt's. Now there's Hunt's right there. I think we do have a Hunt's coupon. I don't know if I got it, but I have a sugar coupon. But let me check and see that coupon. Okay, so I have a coupon for 75 cents on Domino sugar. Now you see the registered trademark. You mean you can get anything Domino. They want you to buy the golden product. Okay, but we'll see. Depends on if they know how to read the coupons or not. If not, they're not gonna let us get it, and we ain't gonna worry about it. We'll just politely put it back. But I have 4 coupons, so I'm gonna get 4 boxes. I do need a light brown sugar, so I'll grab a light brown and 1 more of these, and that's 4 of them. Okay, so let's go look for that. Let's drop those down in there with that one, and let's go look for some more stuff. Oh, look, Bumblebee. I told you I was in here now. Remember these guys? I remember those. Okay, we know Armour is in here. Ramen noodles with all the salt in it. Goya, y'all in trouble. Chef Boyardee, Hanover. Okay, so they have a whole snack zone. And let's see if they have. Oh, they do. The Bugles, they have them. So they have the Bugles. It got to be 3.7 ounces or larger. That's what it is. Yep. And it's 2. So I'm gonna get Quiet plus 2 Bugles. So I have 2 of these coupons, and they 50 cents buy 2. They have to be 3.7 ounce or larger, and here's the 3.7 ounce right there. Okay, guys. So I have 2 of those coupons, so we're gonna use 2 of those. And if it was a pause in that, guys, sorry, I thought I had paused my phone. So they got a lot more Hunts, Columbia. They got Snyder's. Who can't wait for Snyder's to be back? Me. So they got beans, they got tortillas, nor Hungry Jack. They got a nice little bundle of stuff. Okay, all of that, all the seasons you want, all of those, all of those. Okay, so we do. Let me check my Texas Pete coupon. So I'm gonna grab 2 Texas Pete's. This is food shopping right now, huh, guys? And let's see what else. Wendy's. Oh, my little flavor zone. I want my sweetest fish. Grab my sweetest fish. And let's see what else. Okay, so they got Sunny Delight in here. They got these rippets that was a penny in Dollar General a while back. So they have Ocean Spray. Was that Ocean? See, now they have Ocean Spray, guys, but the ounces is too small. They want it to be 60 or 64 ounce. So I'm not gonna even try that because it's a new Dollar General, and I don't want to really ruffle no feathers up until I know what's the. Okay, guys. So listen, which one is the best, Red Vine or Twizzlers? My favorite. Now I love Twizzlers, just like I eat the sweetest fish. But I'm gonna tell you which one I prefer. Red Vine, the best. Now, if y'all got a good argument, argue with me. But if you don't, that's what it is. And I cannot find. I didn't cut any of my Nabisco coupons, so I'm good with that. Okay. This big owl. Oh my God. All the baby stuff. They had a nice little baby edition. Sesame Street. Yeah, I had my grandbaby the day before yesterday. He weighed 7 pounds, 6 ounces. Oh my God, woke, looking around, everything. I told my daughter, you better get some pills because this baby is looking around and woke. You know how they be asleep? Nope, not him. He was woke. Look at these blankets. They got blankets. Oh, that's so cute. So you could build a baby bag here real quick up in here. So you all know I do my baby edition. This will be week 2. So be looking out. Let me see. Those. You might can get those on coupons. I got to check my coupons and see. They got the Dove. I think I showed you all that one. Utterly Smooth Herbal Essence. Look at those little bitty jars though. But they have a nice little set of stuff. They got Excedrin in here and a leave. Let me see what else. Y'all ready for our hauls to come back? I am. I was enjoying myself getting all them hauls. Now this the Nivea I use in my purse, that one. And then look, Ivy Body Wash, Very Gold Bond. I don't know if them Jergens coupons will work on this. I thought it said 6 ounces, but I don't know if I pulled it or not to see. Okay, don't have the Jergens coupon with me. I swear I pulled the wrong bag out today. But we got a lot of stuff, so let's go and see what they got over here. And then once we do all of that, we done. Let's see. Okay, guys, so we get ready to get up out of this store, but this is a bookstore. And they didn't have any scrubbing bubbles or anything, but look at all the books and the puzzles. They got tons of stuff. I think I showed you all that book before. I'm a feline fine right now. That's another thing that's good to put in these boxes. Books. Little giveaways. Okay, guys, so everything worked. And you know what I'm finna say exception to, except the sugar. They had to take it off of that. But I told them just take it off. So my total, after they took off everything and all my coupons, I paid $10.53 out of pocket. That's fine because I got some snacks for my kids. And more hot sauce. Now, you all see me buying all this. Right. Don't forget, when you can stack up. But I have bought hot sauce for much cheaper. But I actually prefer Texas Pete because it's not as hot to me. I don't really eat burning hot sauce. So guys, let you go because I'm getting ready to start driving. Hey, hit like, subscribe, share my channel, and we just did the day. Bye.